everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a user in ZenDesk. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser first to get started and in the URL box type in www.zendesk.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you end up in the official site of ZenDesk, log into your account by clicking the sign in link at the top. Click the sign in button one more time, and if you've not logged in yet, you'll need to enter your credentials for your ZenDesk account. Enter your email and your password in the sign in area and sign into your account like you normally do. From the main homepage of ZenDesk, click on the customer's icon on the left hand side of the screen. Locate the user you would like to delete and click on their name. In the user's profile, click on the drop-down next to New Ticket and click on Delete. In the pop-up, click on OK in order to delete the user. If you want to cancel the deletion, click on Cancel instead. That is how you can easily delete a user on ZenDesk. Remember that deleting a user's account cannot be undone, so be careful to select the correct user while deleting your user accounts. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.